Michael dizzy. Michael spin too fast. So silly. Listen, welcome to the cooking show. We're gonna be cooking today. We're gonna make something called the peanut butter sandwich. A peanut butter sandwich. Now listen, some people don't just do peanut butter sandwich. Some people they mix it up. They use peanut butter and like they peanut butter and jam. It ain't too much for me. I told my brother he'll make a PBJ for MJ, and I told him that. Sorry, I get too carried. Michael get carried away. But listen, Michael's out of breath. Okay, we're gonna make a peanut butter jelly sandwich, or peanut butter sandwich. We don't use any jam. I know what you're thinking. Michael, when he makes everything by scratch. Not everything, but a lot of things by scratch. Let's see if we put some peanut butter on there. Michael's gonna put some peanut. He put some butter on there. Some butter. See, Michael make everything. At least today we make it since by scratch. And put the peanut on there. Push that in there. And the peanut butter sandwich. Michael used the white bread. It's very, very soft and good. Push it. Push it that way. Sometimes I eat them fat, like a little fat burger. Like a little fat burger. Michael don't like the crust. Michael peel off the crust and put the crust on the side. Sometimes Michael eat it later, but most of the time I just keep it really different. It tastes so much better when it's made by scratch. Peanut butter in there. Butter, extra butter, mix it with the peanut. It's really good. You can taste the sugar in the peanuts too, because the honey roasts the peanuts. Michael loves his nuts. I like the nuts. I love you guys. Thank you for everything. Thank you for cooking and working with Michael and everything that you do to Michael. I love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.